Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Bible in Miss J's Kitchen. As you can see here, I have our Biblical House of Truth, and I got a piece that's ready to be put on by one of you guys. So, without further ado, let's check it out. Who's it going to be today? It is Oakley. Oakley, come on down. Well, hey guys, it's so good to be a part of Miss J's YouTube channel today. Thanks, Oakley. I appreciate that. Really kind words. Would you mind reading today's Biblical Truth? Biblical Truth 19? Of course. Okay, what does it say? It says, sin causes disharmony between God's image bearers and the earth. Thanks, Oakley. I appreciate it. Tell your classmates, hey guys. All right, Biblical Truth 19, that sin causes disharmony between God's image bearers and the earth. And we've talked about that a lot, how sin causes disharmony between people and God, within God's image bearers, but there also is some disharmony within the earth because of sin and the fall that happened in the Garden of Eden. So I'll meet you behind the screen. Let's take a look at today's worksheet, Truth 19, 19.24.1. Okay, readjust our screen here and go down enough for you to be able to see. Okay, here we go. Perfect, Truth 19. At the top, it says to check the statements that prove that Biblical Truth 19 is true. So remember, Truth 19 states that sin causes disharmony. Right? Remember that disharmony, if we think of a chord on the piano, da 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 da, harmony sounds good, disharmony is going to sound bad. So sin causes disharmony between God's image bearers and the earth. So let's check the ones that show that Truth 19 is true. Pollution causes fish to die. Now we're thinking about our earth and what causes disharmony. Is that a check or a blank? Leave it blank. Should be a check. Pollution is something that's a result of sin, right? Disharmony. Number 2, snow falls on the mountains in January. What do you think? No, that's something good, so leave that one blank. Number 3, thorns and weeds make farming difficult. If you're thinking it should be checked, you're correct. Number 4, over farming causes poor soil conditions. Is that a result of disharmony? Yes or no? You should be thinking yes. Number 5, irresponsible hunting causes some animal populations to be endangered. What do you think? Yes or no? Is that disharmony? Yes, it is. That's why there's certain laws and regulations and rules when it comes to hunting, because they want those habitats and those populations of deer and animals that are hunted to make sure that there's enough of them, because we can't just go and hunt all of them. It wouldn't work. Okay, this next section you're going to do on your own. You're going to read Genesis 3:17 through 19. And use those verses to answer these questions. And then the next section says, God gave Adam and Eve commands and warnings. Read each sentence. If it shows a command, write C on the line. If it shows a warning, write W. Okay, you can do that part together on your own. And then this last one, let's talk about this word curse. The meaning for the word curse. Now, this isn't talking about like a naughty word, like a curse word, but it's talking about in the garden after Adam and Eve sinned, they did fall under a curse. And the definition for that is the removal of God's blessing from someone or something because of sin, right? And God said, cursed is going to be the land, cursed are you. There were certain things that were going to happen because of sin, like there's going to be pain in childbirth. It was going to be hard to farm and do those things. Okay, go ahead, start working. You can do it.